बच्चों, let's read the question. The question says assertion. So Kp is related to Kc by the relation Kp is equal to Kc RT by delta n. The reason is Kp has different dimension as that of Kc. So we have to tell that both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not a correct explanation of assertion. Assertion is true, but reason is false. Assertion is false, but reason is true. So here the key concept is relation between relation between equilibrium constants. In the question, Kp and Kc. Kp and Kc are equilibrium constants of gaseous mixture defined by molar concentration. Okay, defined by molar concentration and partial pressure of gases inside a closed system. So this is Kc, this is Kp. So Kc and Kp are equilibrium constant of gaseous mixture. Kc for the molar concentration and Kp for the partial pressure of gases inside the closed system, which are further in following a linear relation. That is partial pressure is directly proportional to molar concentration. And Kp is related to Kc by the relation. So the relation is Kp is equal to Kc RT delta N. So this is the relation. It means the first statement is incorrect, the relation is incorrect, and the reason is correct that Kp has different dimension as that of Kc. So the answer is assertion is false, but the reason is true. So in this relation, Kp is equal to Kc RT delta N. Here Kp is the pressure equilibrium constant, Kc is the concentration equilibrium constant, and delta N is the total number of moles of gaseous product minus the total number of moles of gaseous reactant. Okay? And so partial pressure is directly proportional to the molar concentration at fixed temperature. This is at fixed temperature. So it means कि assertion is wrong and the reason is correct. So here reason is correct. That is Kp and Kc have different dimensions. Different dimensions. That is Kp is expressed in partial pressure, in partial pressure, and Kc is expressed in concentration. So Kp is the equilibrium constant expressed in partial pressure of gases in a closed system, while Kc is an equilibrium constant in molar concentration of gases in a closed system, and they both are dimensionless quantities. So reason is correct that they have different dimensions. Here dimension का मतलब यहाँ पर ये है कि Kp जो है वो पार्शियल प्रेशर के टर्म्स में कांस्टेंट को इक्विलिब्रियम कांस्टेंट को एक्सप्रेस किया जा रहा है, एंड Kc में इक्विलिब्रियम कांस्टेंट को मोलर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन या कॉन्सेंट्रेशन के टर्म्स में एक्सप्रेस किया जा रहा है. सो यस, दे हैव डिफरेंट डायमेंशंस. That Kp has different dimension as that of Kc. So this is correct, but the relation is wrong. So the final answer is D. The answer is D. Hope you understand it well. Best of luck.